In today's fast-paced business environment, effective human resource management is crucial for driving success. Our Diploma in Human Resource Management program is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to excel in HR roles. World Academy UK is one of the largest professional certification institutes in the world, having a presence in around 100 countries offering Diploma in Human Resource Management for all professionals across the globe. From recruitment and selection to performance management and employee development, you'll learn how to align HR strategies with business objectives, improve talent acquisition and retention, and foster a positive work environment. Our comprehensive curriculum combines theoretical insights with practical applications, ensuring you develop the technical and soft skills required to manage human capital effectively. Upon completion, you'll have the knowledge and tools to contribute to business growth and organizational success. Enroll in our Diploma in Human Resource Management program today and take the first step towards a successful HR career. Learn more and apply now. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.